Welcome back to my channel, Darice's Daily Deets, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty, luxury to lifestyle. And as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be my 1-year review on this Rebecca Minkoff Crossbody. It's called the Blythe Crossbody bag, and I've actually had this a little over a year now, and I'm just going to give you pretty much all of my opinions, the functionality of it, wear and tear, all that good stuff. So before we get into all that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you have not hit the notification bell yet, make sure you do that. And guys, make sure that you are liking the video, because of course that's how YouTube is going to know what content you guys want to keep seeing from me. And then of course it helps your girl out. Make sure you're also commenting, because that engagement really helps. I love the fact that you guys watch the video, but if you're not engaging, it really does not help with a lot of my analytics and stuff like that. So again, if you could really just take the time out and do that, I would really truly appreciate it. And then make sure you are just sharing the video, giving it a thumbs up, all that good stuff. And without further ado, we're just going to go ahead and jump right into this video. Alrighty, so I cannot believe that it's been over a year since I purchased this handbag. I was kind of just going through like, what do you guys want to see from me? And I see that I got a really good reception of my last Rebecca Minkoff video. So I'm like, well, let me go ahead and just talk about a bag that I, purchased over a year ago that I honestly never did a review on, literally just unboxed it on this channel, and I can always link that. But I really just want to go ahead and just give you guys some feedback on how this bag wore for me and, the functionality and all that good stuff. So first things first, this bag, again, it's called the Blythe Crossbody, and I don't think this bag is available any longer. However, I am going to link some similar styles, because Rebecca Minkoff, she definitely constantly is just bringing back different styles of crossbody bags, and they kind of always are a little similar in the way they look, a little similar in the functionality, size, all that good stuff. So the first thing that we're going to talk about on this bag is wear and tear. Now, after about a year and a half now of having this bag, the quality of this bag is impeccable. Now, I don't wear this particular bag every single day. However, I did wear it quite often when I first got it. It was definitely my go-to crossbody bag. So this is really coming from the perspective of somebody who has really got to put this bag to use. Now, the bag is it's okay. Well, I guess it is kind of spacious, but now that I'm kind of reevaluating my lifestyle and everything, it's really not that spacious for my lifestyle. But compared to some other crossbody bags that are of this size range on the market, this one does have a pretty nice amount of space to fit things in. Now, the first thing is this pocket here. This is the front pocket. I don't think I've ever really utilized this front pocket here, but that is one of the pockets that it comes with. It has this like tassel right here, which I think is just a really cute little aesthetically pleasing part of this. And then there's this part here where I guess if you undo this part in the front, which I did not do. I don't work that hard to get in the purses, y'all. If you know me, you already know that. But this is another pocket in front of here too. So if you wanted to, have a bunch of things, I guess, on the front that was easily accessible, you do have the 2 front pockets on here that you can use. Now, we're gonna go ahead and open up the bag. Okay, so when you open up the bag, there's just one big pocket. Now, I do have some items in here. Sorry, my infant is playing with the stand right now. So when you open up the bag, you do have this big compartment right here, and it has an inside pocket that has a zipper, so that's pretty cool. And I just have some receipts and stuff in here. Couple lip glosses, a lot of lip glosses actually. I'm trying to see what all is in here. Okay, so I have a mirror, a couple lip glosses, a charger, and a lipstick. But yeah, so that is what's in the inside part of this bag. And there's a back pocket, which of course, if you guys have been watching my videos, you guys know that this is a must-have for me because I go in here to get the items out of here for, you know, like my cell phone, anything that I need quick access to. I love for it to be right here. I wouldn't necessarily put a wallet back here, but I do like the fact that it has this back pocket. So that was very functional as well. And what I find with the Rebecca Minkoff bags is that a lot of them do have that. So, you know, even though this one is no longer available, you still will have that option available to you. Okay. Now, the zipper zips very easily, very smoothly, as you guys can see. I really like that. All the zippers on here zip very smoothly. Like I said, quality on this bag is impeccable. It has like the Rebecca Minkoff little emblem on the back. I don't know if I showed you guys that. But overall, I mean, it does fit quite a bit. So I'm not going to say that, oh no, this doesn't fit a lot, but it just doesn't fit enough for everything that I have to carry right now. To me, trying to get in and out of it can be a bit of a challenge when you have like multiple things in here. So I'll give an example a little later in the video. Now, it does have a removable crossbody strap, which is really cool. So you can always interchange the strap on this, which I honestly didn't even think about. I could have bought like one of those guitar straps or something. So, yeah, but this actually falls really good on me, and I'll actually stand up so you guys can see where it falls on me as far as the crossbody portion of this goes. Let me stand up so you can see. So you can see it hits me at a really nice area. I love for my crossbodies to kind of hit me right at this waist area. So that's cool, no complaints there. And yeah, so as far as that goes, I mean, that's pretty much that. Like I said, it weared pretty good. I had no complaints with this bag. I mean, it's looking brand new. This bag has been on vacation with me. I think I wore this on multiple vacations. I know I definitely had it when I was in the Bahamas. I had it in Miami. So for me to have, you know, done all of that, this bag has definitely held up. Now, the price point in this bag was not very expensive. I know it was under $200, which is really good for a nice leather handbag. And Rebecca Minkoff is really known for having really nice, good quality pieces at a decent price point. I mean, it's not the lowest of the low, but of course, we all know it's not the highest of the high either. So that's really good as well. Now, what I don't like about this bag is, like I said, even though I did say it's a decent size, it's not the best size to me for everyday usage. If you are carrying not a lot of stuff, but like if by the time I put like a wallet in here, my keys and all of that, I mean, it starts to kind of get hard to get in and out of. Like, you're going to find yourself pulling things in and out. And I'll go ahead and just put in a side-by-side of kind of what I'm talking about so you guys get an idea of what I'm saying, you know, with this bag fully stuffed. So that's the only dislike I really have about this, but everything else, like I said, it's really been good. Now, I do wish it had gold hardware. I don't really find myself leaning a lot towards silver hardware. So that's another thing that I find with Rebecca Minkoff bags. Like, a lot of her bags are the silver hardware. So if you're a silver person, then of course that's going to be great for you. I don't find myself being so much of a silver person. So yeah. But other than that, yes, like I said, it wears beautifully. It's pretty functional. You can style this multiple ways. You can change the strap. So I would highly recommend this bag if you can find it. You may at this point have to honestly get it pre-loved or something like that. I've honestly thought about selling this bag. So if you'd be interested in buying it, just let me know in the comments, and then, you know, we can work something out. Not sure how much I would even sell it for, because like I said, I just for the you know, my needs and everything. Now I need something just a little bit more bigger, and I actually did buy something a little bit more bigger. As you can see here, this is another Rebecca Minkoff bag that I'm going to do a video on, just showing what all fits inside and everything about that bag. But again, we're focusing on this bag here. So I really honestly bought this one to replace this one, just because I don't find myself reaching for it as much because it is rather small for my needs. So other than that, that really just brings us to the end of the video. Not anything super long. I just really wanted to just touch on that, kind of just show you guys, you know, how her bags hold up and all that good stuff. You know, if you were thinking about getting this bag. Oh, and it also, you can also wear it as a shoulder bag. I'm sorry, I didn't even show you guys. So if you want to wear it on the shoulder, it kind of comes a little long, but I do find myself just doing this as well with it. And it stays on the shoulder pretty good. So, sorry about that. Wanted to, well, make sure I put that in there too. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions down below, any comments. I would love to hear from you guys. You guys know. And other than that, that brings us to the end of the video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.